In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google Drive storage. Google Drive is a fantastic tool for storing a wide variety of files, whether it's documents, photos, or other media. It's important to keep an eye on your storage to ensure that you always have space available for new files. Let's walk through the process of checking how much storage you've used and how much you've got left. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in drive.google.com, then pressing Enter. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you wish to check the storage for. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, go ahead and take a glance at the layout. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see a sidebar. This sidebar is your gateway to most of the primary operations within Google Drive. Navigating through this left panel will make managing your files much smoother. As you let your eyes wander down the sidebar towards the bottom, you'll notice a section labeled Storage. This section is specifically designed to give you a quick overview of your storage usage. The storage area will show you, in clear terms, how much space you've already used out of your total available storage. For example, it might say something like 5 GB of 15 GB used, which means you've used 5 GB out of your total 15 GB. This simple information can be quite enlightening because it provides a snapshot of how much space you have left. Keeping an eye on this can help prevent you from reaching your limit at an inconvenient time, especially if you rely heavily on your Google Drive for work or personal projects. Additionally, knowing your storage situation beforehand allows you to plan accordingly. If you find that you're running low on space, you might want to consider cleaning up unused files or upgrading your storage plan. Notably, Google Drive storage isn't just for files in the Google Drive itself. It also includes data from other Google services like Gmail and Google Photos. This is crucial to remember when you're trying to increase available space. If you can't seem to free up enough space by deleting files from Google Drive alone, you might also look at your Gmail and Photos for additional storage opportunities. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you have gained the knowledge of how to effectively monitor your Google Drive storage. By keeping tabs on your usage, you can ensure that your documents, photos, and videos continue to have a place in your digital world without disruption. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to check back for more useful tips on managing your digital life.